What you see right here, it's because the north side of Crete Island is pretty heavily rainy and cloudy and cold, and south of Crete is sunny, slightly windy, but sunny. So everybody is choosing to come to Matala. It's pretty rare and unexpected for Matala to get this busy. Look at the line. And the main parking of Matala is now full, so they are guiding the cars to the parking where I am also parked, up there, which is a free parking. Here we have the bus stop. There are going to be buses coming, but these cars are now parked here anyways. The only good solution for this is to come earlier, like I did. Today it is the 30th of March 2025. No, it's April. 30th of April, May. First we are gonna walk towards the main parking of Matala, and we are gonna walk a little towards the caves of Matala, and then we are gonna explore inside of Matala. Ja, wat er van bieden.
Wat er ook worden.
As you can see, the entire parking is full. We have another parking up there at the camping of Matala, but that seems also pretty full to me. And one another thing I see which is full is the toilets. There is a complete line, a row in front of the toilets. In the morning when I came, I could have came here and parked, but then I was like, I don't need to kind of struggle getting out of here. As you can see, with a van it is difficult, so I choose to park in a proper place where I can easily leave if I need to. Anime restaurant, wine bar. This is a new place. I remember from last year they were working on it, and now we have it, and I think it's pretty charming and busy. I also can see some people already visiting the caves of Matala. And that's the thing about here, the south of Crete. It's always sunny, most of the time sunny with a little bit of wind maybe. And there aren't any sunbeds or umbrellas. Nobody was prepared for such tourism. When I read sometimes comments asking about how the weather is going to be and how this month is going to be, how May is going to be, how April is going to be, and I always come up with very weird answers, and I say like nobody knows, or just make the best out of the moment. That's pretty true, because you really don't know. Even my own plans for making videos and going around is kind of interrupted by the weather, which is going on the north of Crete. So I kind of have to stick around the south of Crete and make the best out of what's going on. And that's what all the rest of the people are doing, coming here and making the best. Even today, it's kind of tricky. Sometimes it gets cloudy, and there are also rain is being expected. So that's what it is. To kind of put everything together is that when you come and you travel this far, you really cannot know, or you cannot absolutely concretely make your travel plans based on the weather apps, or with my prediction or anybody else's prediction, because they can be easily thrown out of the window. But so far I am happy that people are finding some what sun and the beach that they came this far for. And it's about 2 more days or 3 more days possibly going to be cloudy on the north of Crete Island. That's the place where mostly people are booking, such as in Malia, Chersonesos, Bali, Retemno. And yeah, maybe next time you should consider the south of Crete. Anyways, let's take a walk into Matala and see how busy it is.
Daar hebben de hippies gewoon. Den här tillhör den restaurangen. Schön einmal Grand Opening machen. Hier, Grand Opening.
Na tym siądź, Kacku, na tym brzuchu.
Like 2 or 3 days ago, I was here and I took an evening walk in this place. I will leave a link to that video in the description. You can see how the nightlife of Matala is, and as you can see, it's a very good atmosphere, good vibes, charming place. Matala has been always a beautiful place to visit, regardless of sun or if it's being any season. At 4 season, Matala has something to offer. So yeah, I will link that video as well, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more. Other than that, until the next time, peace.